Moving on, the Ministry of Labour and Social Protection has launched the National Employers Skill and Occupational Survey team and flagged off vehicles to be used during the exercise that will be undertaken in 45 days. Addressing the press, Labour CS Simon Chelugui said that although the country continues to grapple with high unemployment, with a majority of those in employment in the informal sector, the survey will help in coming up with strategies that can be used to increase opportunities for decent work in the country. As Grace Wangoi now tells us, the survey will help create a globally competitive workforce.
Although some of the effects of COVID-19 on the economy have since been neutralized, the issue of unemployment, which existed before the COVID-19 pandemic, is yet to be solved. Every year, 1 million new job seekers enter the labor market, but unfortunately, only 800,000 are absorbed, albeit the majority land in the informal sector. According to Cabinet Secretary for Labour and Social Protection, Simon Chelugui, his ministry is working on strategies to encourage the growth of the formal sector in order to promote decent work in the country.
Last year, we recognized and realized that those who are in informal jobs were extremely exposed. They were vulnerable. They were affected by COVID. And as a country, as a middle-income country, as we aspire to grow our country to beyond middle income level, we also need to speak to the issues of employment, the kind of jobs, the kind of employment that we have, whether it serves and sustains livelihood in a quality way.
The Education Ministry has often come under fire for its various curricula, which have been criticized for not matching existing occupations and skills which are in demand in the labor market. Speaking on this matter during the launch of the National Employer Skills and Occupational Survey team at the ministry's headquarters in Nairobi, Chelugui noted that the survey will help in establishing existing occupations and skills which are in demand, adding that findings from the survey should be disseminated for use by curriculum developers.
This information over time will help us to forecast the skills and occupations likely to be in high demand. With this survey now, after their report, we'll be able to share with our colleges, universities, the Ministry of Education, in preparation of the next skills, reorganizing our curriculum to fit the demands of our market.
The nationwide survey, which is expected to be conducted within 45 days, will also help in creating a globally competitive workforce by identifying, collecting and analyzing key labor market data, which is then used to generate reports useful for policy making by stakeholders in the economy.
We want our employees to be of the same level with either the middle income or the high income countries. And government has begun. Government in itself is looking at paying its own workers, public servants, commensurate with what others are paying. In any case, Kenya could be even paying more than what the other countries are paying. And this is all about, we hope that this will trigger the same response from the private sector.
Grace Wangoi for TV News Watch.